Okay, here is the latest incomplete iteration of the Rubik's Cube solver. Just do a quick walk around so you can have a look. Looks completely different. Looks almost like it's made out of glass. Things are much more secure now. I've got all these M6 bolts which secure the top platform to the base plate, let's call them that, and I've got better securing for the extrusion via these parts. Then you can also see, although underneath there looks a bit of a rat's nest, sorry, it's in a way neatly tucked away underneath everything, out of the way of I was going to say, it's visually more pleasing, I guess, better, more aesthetically pleasing. I don't know what I'm saying. I still yet to deal with the buttons and the LEDs, which I think I am going to go for an extended plate, maybe come out this far and use these M6 rods to support it, and then I can have the screen there and all the buttons there. So that's work that's going to continue, and then when it's finished, or at least when I've got most of that done, I'll probably upload another video just to showcase what it looks like when it's working. So it's been a lot of work. Believe me, I didn't just think up of this type of design. This just came gradually over time, and some of it felt necessary. It's not all about making it look good. I've seen other people's designs and incorporated some of their ideas into here, and so far I'm much happier. Each new step I put in, if it works, I'm glad to have done it. These have got to change. I've got to work out how to do them. I want to get them really accurate, so they may be done in acrylic, but that's for another time. So that's it for now, until I make more progress.